Steve Thomas with SkipperBud's. I'm going to take you through a new listing. Model year 2022 Scout 215 Dorado. This boat was sold brand new here in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin, and has only been used locally. Just going to point out features as we start up in the bow. See nice armrests, stainless steel grab handles. See the antenna for the VHF right behind a cup holder. Cup holders really throughout the boat. You're not going to be stuck holding your drink. See a couple of bow speakers. Underneath the forward and back canvas, there is an anchor locker, and you'll notice one item that the owner had installed aftermarket is a automatic trolling motor that's integrated with the Garmin electronics. This is a Garmin trolling motor. One of Scout's innovative features is the sheer windshield topper here. One continuous piece of glass that is not framed in. Creates a very sleek look on the water. Comfortable swivel seats, ergonomic, very comfortable. For short guys like me, you've got a nice bolster, especially when landing the boat on a trailer or docking. Very convenient. Garmin touchscreen, along with your analog gauges here. And trim tabs with the Lenco indicator. Upgraded Fusion audio system is also included. There's the head unit at the helm. And the ICOM VHF that was installed once the boat was delivered. Very spacious cockpit here. Fold out seat. Folds back in very easily if you want to keep it open in the cockpit here. Great rod storage. Right now just have a pole in there, but you also have the ski tow bar in case you want to do a little tubing skiing. That input's right at the back. Rod holders throughout back here, as well as one of my favorite features, you have your Scout branded Phender Pros. These pop out to have the fenders easily removed and stowed away, so you're not wasting time tying it off on a cleat. Large aerated live well back here, and you'll notice the sea deck on the boarding platforms. Nice transom door. Mercury 150 horse. And of course, spot for a porta potty. And currently the table is stowed away. You have inputs at the bow for your table. This boat again is a single owner boat. It's only been used locally, model year 2022. Easily shown. It's on property here in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. Call ahead to schedule your showing today.